Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Steamy, aka Benjamin, and today we're gonna be going over every type of value there is. But before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And without any further ado, let's just get right into it. So first of all, you have the integer value, which is local int equals 1. Then you have the local number equals 2.2. Local bool equals false, and local string equals string. So what you have here is a string value, a bool value, a number value, and an integer value. Now, most of these are really different from each other. Like a string value just is for printing strings and doing other kinds of stuff with strings, like this. A bool value is for turning something false, true, or nil. A number value and an integer look alike, but they're not the same because the number value can have decimals while the integer value can't. So for example, if we do print, we will get 1. See, we will get 1 in the output because first, as I said in the previous video, it will check the functions before the variables. So here we make it check the int value, and that is 1. So it prints 1. But then if you do print bool, then it will print false because it is false. See? But if you do have problems with printing int values, number values, bool values, or string values, like you can use print, type that, then toString, then type what you want it to print. So for example, we can type number. It won't make a difference here because we're not having problems with printing the normal number anyway. But sometimes you might encounter some problems, and this is the solution for it. You can also do to number, right there, number, and it will give us 2.2 twice. See, it won't make a difference when we're not really making good use of it, if that's the right way to say it, because we can also just do print number and it will give us it 3 times. Yeah. So what toString does is it takes the value and makes a string out of it. So for example, here it takes 2.2 and makes it a string. So it won't make a difference over here, as I said, but sometimes you might encounter problems and you will have to use toString. And toNumber does the exact opposite. It will turn whatever you put in here into a number. But stuff like a bool value, you can't turn into a number. See, it will print nil. And that's because this does not have any number values or integer values attached to it. It's just false. It's just not true. If we change it to true, it will still print nil. And I will be going over some functions such as the toString and toNumber functions in a later video. But for now, it's just gonna be this, values. And what you really have to remember is that you can use bool values for example, debounces. And a debounce is pretty much a cooldown, but it's meant to not break the system. So I can make a small model out of it. So here we have a simple version of this script. Let's check it. So yeah, it basically waits 2 seconds between every your cool print, because here it adds 1 second and here it adds 1 second. You can also use task.delay, which I will be going over in a later video. But for now, we're just gonna use task.wait since it's simpler and easier to understand. So we just went over the while loop. Now I'm gonna explain it. So what you do is while true do, and then type enter, because it will automatically put down an end over here. Then we can do task.wait. Just be absolutely sure that you don't just do this and just throw some stuff in, because if you do this raw without any wait functions, it will crash your game and will maybe crash Studio. So be sure to put, like, even this will help. We give it 1 frame pause every time. Print, you're so cool. That's just an example, but look. It will print it a lot, but it won't crash my game because it skips a frame every time. You can also use it for this. Local int equals 1. While int is less than 10, do task.wait 1, int plus equals 1. So what it says over here is basically, I'm gonna put that with these things. It will say like int equals int plus 1. And then we can do print in. The AI already said it, but it's not bigger. I mean, okay, my bad. Now it will count up to 10. Look. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there we'll stop. I will put some little assignments or tests down in the description so you can test whether you get it or not. And if you don't get something, you can put it down below because I will read every single comment of you guys. So there's everything you need to know about the while loops and the values. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a good one.